Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best RV door lock is probably one of the most convenient upgrades you can make to your RV. Imagine never fumbling for keys again, and having the peace of mind knowing your RV is secure. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of keyless RV door locks, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you decide if one is right for your rig. We'll cover everything from installation to real-world performance, so you can make an informed decision. Number 5. RVLOCK Compact Keyless Entry RV Door Lock. Are you looking for a way to secure your belongings while traveling? This keyless entry handle is designed for your family trailer or camper. It's perfect for those with doors that have hinges on the right. This innovative keyless lock technology fits most campers, fifth wheels, and bumper pull style trailers. It's also suitable for most travel trailer entry doors. This handle offers all the benefits in a more lightweight option. This compact lock comes with many useful features. It includes a keyless handle, an integrated keypad with over 1 million rolling codes, a remote fob, mechanical keys, and batteries. You can use the keypad or the wireless fob to lock or unlock it. This is the RV accessory you need to enjoy your vacation. You can bring valuables on your trip without worrying about a burglary. It makes it easy to have all the doors keyed alike for convenience. RVLOCK is the original keyless entry lock company for trailers. They bring innovation, ergonomics, and style to RV and trailer enthusiasts. They build high-quality trailer security products to give customers a greater sense of security and comfort. What we like. This RVLOCK offers keyless entry, making it super convenient to access your RV. It's built with durable materials, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of travel. If you're looking for a simple, secure, and easy-to-install solution, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Easy to install. Works great. The keypad is easy to see at night. Number 4. RVLOCK V4 Keypad and Remote RV Door Lock. This RV door lock utilizes patented security technology, protecting countless RV owners. It's crafted with high-grade metal alloys, ensuring durability and safety on the road. The RVLOCK V4 is packed with features to make your life easier. It includes a simple-to-program keypad and convenient key fobs. The weatherproof exterior and long battery life add to its convenience. This keyless entry technology is designed to fit most RVs, including trailers, fifth wheels, and cargo trailers. It's easy to install, fitting common handle and opening sizes. The package includes the RV door lock, remote control fobs, X-series keys, installation hardware, batteries, and a user manual. You'll also receive support from our USA-based customer support team. As the original RV door lock company, it brings innovation, security, and style to RV enthusiasts. The company is family-owned and based in the USA. What we like. This lock boasts patented security technology, giving you peace of mind on the road. It's designed with a weatherproof exterior, protecting it from the elements. If you prioritize top-notch security and convenience with a remote, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to install. Works great. The keypad is easy to see at night. Number 3. Kohree RV Door Lock Replacement. This RV door lock is constructed with 100% zinc alloy, ensuring high hardness and durability. The oxidation treatment provides wear resistance and a smooth surface. It feels great in your hand and is easy to open. Featuring a thickened solid base, this lock provides stable installation. It's made from quality 100% zinc alloy and IPX3 waterproof material, guaranteeing years of reliable outdoor use. This ensures it can withstand the elements. Unlike plastic or zinc plus aluminum alternatives, this 100% zinc alloy lock can withstand greater tensile force. This results in a longer service life. Weighing 2.5 pounds, it's significantly more robust than lighter options. This versatile door lock fits most RV doors with a hole cutout of 2.67 foot x 3.6 and a door thickness from 1.25 to 1.5 inches. It's suitable for travel trailers, campers, trucks, horse trailers, and cargo haulers. The Kohree camper door lock comes with 4 extra 3 mm longer screws, providing flexibility for different installations. The package includes door latches, 4 keys, 12 screws, and 2 plates, making installation straightforward. With a built-in deadbolt and backlocking function, this trailer door latch offers enhanced security. It features a double open design and a smooth, mute switch, protecting your property and personal safety. What we like. This RV door lock is constructed from 100% zinc alloy, ensuring durability and safety. It features a built-in deadbolt for added security. If you value robust construction and easy installation, this lock is an excellent option. What people say. Now the door on my 5th wheel closes smoothly and I don't have to pull on the paddle handle when closing the door, like I had to with the old door latch. This RV door lock feels incredibly solid and well made. The zinc alloy construction gives me confidence it'll last, and the paddle deadbolt operates smoothly. Fits perfectly, the finish is very nice, and the keys work smoothly. Number 2. Veise KS02A Fingerprint Keyless Entry Door Lock. Introducing the Veise KS02A, a smart lock designed for your convenience and security. This lock allows you to enter your home without keys, making life easier and safer. It's the perfect upgrade for any front door. With the built-in fingerprint sensor, you can store up to 20 fingerprints for quick and easy access. The AI chip identifies and unlocks within 0.2 seconds with 99.99% accuracy. The system learns and refines its recognition with every use. This smart lock offers 4-in-1 unlocking options. You can use fingerprints, passwords, or the included mechanical keys. It also allows you to generate one-time codes for guests, which automatically delete after use. Manage your security with ease. Set a master password and create individual user passwords for family and guests. The anti-peeping code feature lets you disguise your real PIN, preventing visual theft. The KS02A offers smart door locking with auto-lock functionality. You can set it to lock automatically, or use the one-touch lock feature. The rotatable knob allows for quick locking and unlocking from the inside. Enjoy up to 365+ days of battery life with 4 AA alkaline batteries. A low battery alert will notify you when it's time to replace them. This lock is ANSI Grade 3 and BHMA certified, and IP54 waterproof. It withstands extreme temperatures and features a low battery indicator. Activate silent mode for quiet operation and vacation mode for added security. What we like. This lock offers fingerprint unlocking, providing a modern and secure way to access your RV. It supports multiple access methods, including passwords and mechanical keys. If you want cutting-edge security with the convenience of fingerprint access, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It is easy to install and program. Fingerprint recognition technology, which allows for quick and secure access with just a touch. Installation is straightforward, with clear instructions that make it easy for anyone to upgrade their door lock without the need for professional help. Number 1. ONNAIS RV Keyless Entry Door Lock. This all-metal RV door handle is designed to resist any forced entry. It's weatherproof, ensuring long-lasting protection. With one battery replacement, it can power up to 2 years of reliable use. Unlock your RV from up to 100 feet away with the FOB. No more fumbling for keys or codes. It also includes a premium mechanical lock for backup, and a hidden mechanical key for peace of mind. The keypad allows you to unlock your RV without keys or FOB, perfect for quick trips. You can easily share temporary access with friends or service crews. It's convenient and easy to use. Add random digits before and after your real password to keep your code safe. The keypad has a backlight for easy use at night, and you can choose to turn it on or off. It offers great security and convenience. The kit includes every screw, screwdriver, and tool you need for installation. It fits standard RV openings and has an exterior size perfect for most RV doors. It's designed for a hassle-free setup. Every RV door lock replacement comes with a lifetime warranty. They stand behind their quality, so if anything goes wrong, they've got you covered. You can have peace of mind with this product. What we like. This RVLOCK features full metal construction for maximum security. It includes a remote fob for easy access from a distance. If you want a robust, secure lock with multiple access options, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Easy to install. Works great. Love the keyless entry. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.